Welcome to a comprehensive guide on maximizing your smart home experience with these 10 essential HomeKit tips. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your existing setup, we've got you covered. And don't forget to visit our website, Kodmy.com, for even more expert insights and in-depth reviews on smart home technology. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Organize your home in the Home app. It's crucial to start by organizing your smart home effectively. Create distinct rooms, give your devices clear names, and allocate them to specific locations. This simple step makes it incredibly convenient to manage and control your devices. Tip 2. Set up automations. Automation is the heartbeat of a smart home. Within the Home app, explore the options to set up scenes and triggers. For instance, you can configure your lights to brighten as you arrive home, or have your thermostat adjust based on the weather forecast. This way, your home adapts to your needs without manual intervention. Tip 3. Secure your smart home. Ensuring the security of your smart home is paramount. Activate two-factor authentication, employ robust and unique passwords, and regularly update firmware to shield against potential vulnerabilities. These measures safeguard your smart home from unauthorized access and potential cyber threats. Tip 4. Create custom shortcuts. The Shortcuts app is a powerful tool for personalizing your smart home experience. For instance, imagine a good morning shortcut that not only adjusts the lighting, but also cues your favorite music and provides a weather update. This level of customization brings a touch of personalization to your daily routine. Tip 5. Explore compatible accessories. The world of HomeKit compatible accessories is vast. From lighting solutions to smart locks, the possibilities are endless. By exploring and integrating compatible devices, you expand the capabilities of your smart home, tailoring it to meet your specific needs and preferences. Tip 6. Utilize Siri voice commands. Interacting with your smart home has never been more natural. With Siri voice commands, you can effortlessly control your devices. A simple "Hey Siri," followed by your request, such as "turn off the living room lights," brings a new level of convenience to managing your smart home environment. Tip 7. Set up guest access. Sometimes, you may want to grant limited access to your smart home for guests. Within the Home app, you can set up guest user settings. Tip 8. Monitor energy usage. Keeping tabs on your energy consumption is both environmentally conscious and financially savvy. HomeKit-enabled devices come with features that allow you to monitor your energy usage. By gaining insights into your consumption patterns, you can make informed decisions that lead to significant cost savings over time. Tip 9. Stay updated with notifications. It's crucial to stay informed about what's happening in your smart home. Configure your settings to receive notifications for important events. Whether it's a door opening or a smoke alarm, these alerts provide you with real-time updates on the status of your smart home environment. Tip 10. Enhance your HomeKit with Enomek. Discover the Enomek app, a powerful tool that seamlessly integrates any app into your Apple HomeKit ecosystem. With Enomek, you can expand the functionality of your smart home, unlocking new possibilities for automation and control. To get started, you can download the app from Kodmy.com or simply click the link provided in the description below. For even more in-depth information, reviews, and guides, be sure to visit Kodmy.com. Thank you for joining us on this journey to optimize your smart home experience. Thank you for watching Kodmy. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, visit our socials and stay tuned for more exciting tech content.